Hello friends, so in this program we are going to find factor of any given number. Suppose we have given 6 as number and we have to find factor of this num. So factor is that number which is going to completely divide that number. So suppose we have num as 6, so what will be the factor of this num? So let's discuss. So suppose we have num as 6, so factor of this num will be 6 will be 1, 2 and 3 only, because we know that 6 is going to divide this 6 also. That's why we will not include 6. So 1, 2 and 3 will be factor of this 6. Suppose we have value as 8, so factor of this 8 will be 1, 2 and 4, because we know that 8 is also going to divide this 8, so we are also not going to include. So it means that factor is the number starting from 1 before and that number is going to complete divide that particular number. So for solving this problem we will use loop, and let's see how we are going to solve this problem. And in question, suppose they have given num as 6, so we have to print value like 1, 2, 3, because these 3 are the factor of this 6 and this 1, 2, 4 is the factor of 8. Suppose we have given number as 12, so factor of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So this 5 value will be the result of that given input. So let's solve this problem. So suppose we have given n is equal 6, so we will, for solving this problem, we will use one loop, and we will use that loop variable to for checking division of that number. So we will start loop for int I equals 1, because we have to write start division from 1. You can see that here, division from 1, and we will run this loop until before 6, right, before this num. So we will use I is less than num and we will use I plus plus. Inside this loop we will check that if this I is going to complete divide that number, we will print that I, otherwise we will skip that I. So here we will check if num percentage I is equals 0, it means that this I is going to complete divide this number. Then we will go inside this if statement, and inside this we will print the value of I, and after printing that I we will use one comma so that we can specify that as some separator, and this is all. So using these 3 lines of code you will find factorial of a factor of any given number. So let's run this program and you will see factor of 6. So you can see that factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3. Suppose we have changed the value of 6 to 12, 6 to 12, you will find that value of this 12 will be right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you will see, these all value are going to divide this 12 completely, right? Suppose we have value as 16 and we will run this program, it will show all the value which are going to complete divide this 16. So these 4 values are going to divide this 16 completely. So this is problem for finding factor